Welcome to our channel of new audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Language, SOFL, Certificate Postgraduate Certificate Programme, Certificate in French Language, CFL, BFLI 002 échanger, interaction, bloc, 2 échanger, Uni 4 enquête, Enquiry interrogation, The second course anti-LED interaction is divided into 3 units, A Uni 4, enquête, Enquiry interrogation, B Uni 5, invitation, C Uni 6, à table, food. Gastronomie, The learner is advised to devote approximately 30 hours per Uni 4, enquête, Enquiry interrogation, week 1. Asking someone to do something, 2. Asking politely, 3. Month of the year. 4. Telling someone about your future plan, week 2, 5. Immédiate future, 6 points conditionnels, 7. Usage of avoir, 1. Phonétique, liaison, 2. Using the structure il y a, 3. Definite indéfinite article, 4. Telling someone about your accomplished plan, 5. Or writing a letter to a friend, 6. Understanding and using a calendar, 7. Festival in France, the learner is advised to devote at least 30 hours, who is talking? Qui parle, to whom? À qui, why? Pourquoi, this is a téléphonique message téléphonique, and the detective, l'inspecteur, need to interroger, some person and then go for his rendezvous at Place Saint-Michel, vocabulary, coupable, NMF. Culprit, serveuse, NF, waitress, boulangère, NF, baker, marchand de journaux, N.M. news vendor, oui. Non. CCCDIA, pronoun replace noun. They agree in gender and in number according to the noun they replace, in French, à masculine masculine plural, il, virgule, il, s, égale il, ex. Paul et Philippe égale il, à masculine noun égale masculine plural, il, i.il, s, l, s, égale il, Pierre et Anna égale il, à féminine noun moins féminine plural, l, s, égale elle, Laura et Paola égale elle, instruction. Study the conjugation of the verb vivant in the right margin. Aller, to go, pouvoir, to be able to quand, vouloir, to want. 1. Outil, read the two sentences given below and tick the correct answer. Read these two sentences taken from the telephonic message. What message are they conveying? Quelque chose égale something, chose égale thing, quelqu'un someone, activity 4, to oral activity argivant here. They will be done in the contact class to accomplish them, you need to study the table given in the right margin of the same page. They are summary of what has been dealt with in the uni, you have learned up till now how to, ask politely for something, ask someone to do something, you need to note down the following point, way to express politeness, s'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît and the present conditional tense, présent du conditionnel. The conditional tense is a mood, in the sense that it is used to express the attitude intention of the speaker. One of the important use of present conditional is to express politeness with certain verbs. Note, in the table demander poliment, to ask politely, the three verbs, pourriez, could, voudrait, would, aimerait, would like, are in the present conditional, pourriez pouvoir, voudrait vouloir, aimerait aimer. The verb vouloir is used in the conditional to express a polite request, ex. Je voudrais un stylo. I would like to have a pen, point, je voudrais aller au temple. I would like to go to the temple. The verb aimer is also used to express a polite desire. Something one that cannot be fulfilled, ex, j'aimerais bien y aller, mais je dois réviser pour les examens. I'd like to go, but you have to revise for the exam. In the second table, we have the imperative form, l'impératif, ex. Écoute. Écoutez. Va. Allez, you have already come across this verbal form, ex. Compléter. Complète, lisez les phrases. Read the sentence, impératif is usually used to cercle noir moyen give en order offer en advice, make a request express a désir, there are only 3 forms that can be used in the imperative mode, I, écoute, 2, écouter, I, écoutons, un like other mode, like conditional, they are not accompanied by the are not accompanied by the subject pronoun. Va à Delhi, va à Delhi. Go to Delhi, but tu vas, termine ta soupe. Finish your soup, but tu termines ta soupe, mange tes légumes. Eat your vegetable, but tu manages tes légumes. Activity 6, read the following sentence and then complete the activity. Vous allez poser une seule question. Posez une question to ask a question. Je vais inviter des amis samedi soir, on va manger tous ensemble ce soir. Ensemble together, salut. Je vais voir Louise en juin à Cannes. Oh. Il est 8 heures. On va arriver trop tard. Trop tard égale too late, attention. Tu vas tomber. Watch out. You are going to fall, suggestion, look at the formation of futur proche, rule, le futur proche égale verbe aller au présent. Verbe à l'infinitif, activity 7, answer the following question. Contact class, the verb of the yearly activity are in futur proche, near future. So, the action of near future, are carried out now, will be carried out soon, have already been carried out. Tick the right sentence, activity 8, complete the sentence. 1. Since we are dealing with future proche, you have to pay attention to the verb aller, and the verb that comes after it, and which is in the infinitive form, ex. L'année prochaine, je vais étudier le français à Antibes. Let us study the table, quand, j'y in the right margin, these are time indicator, mainly indicating the future. La semaine prochaine, next week. L'année prochaine, next year, vendredi prochain, next Friday, demain, tomorrow, ce soir, tonight, en juillet, in July, in French, weekdays are masculine. Prochain, masculine, prochaine, féminine adjective, you can add other time indicator to this list, après-demain, the day after tomorrow, demain matin, tomorrow morning, cet après-midi, this afternoon, lundi, en mars, vocabulaire, activity 10, pick out two expressions with avoir in the speech bubble Jivan, find in the list Jivan below, the expression contained in each sentence. Correlate each expression to a corresponding picture, suggestion, after the first listening, pick out from the sentence heard, the expression like, avoir sommeil. Moins, Ex, in this expression all the words are preceded by avoir besoin de to need something, avoir envie de égale to desire something, listen once again to the CD and study the picture at the same time, vocabulary, froid cold, faim hungry, sommeil sleep, soif thirsty, study a few more expressions using avoir, ex, avoir de l'argent to have money, avoir l'estomac vide to have un empty stomach, avoir du talent to be talented, avoir de la fièvre to be running à température. Avoir peur to feel afraid, avoir du chagrin égale to feel to be sad. Activity 11, complete the following word. 1. This activity can be performed in the contact class, it is a revision of word that you have come across in this uni or in the previous ones. You have to find 8 words which evoke what you can find in a city. Activity 12, complete the sentence with the word given in the list. You are already familiar with their word, phonetic. This activity will be done in the contact class here. We shall study the phenomenon of liaison. In a preview uni, we had broadly talked about it. A liaison is the phenomenon when a normally silent consonant at the end of a word is pronounced at the beginning of the word that follows it. For now, we shall focus on the liaison obligatoire only. We have liaison in the following case, between il, elle, nous, vous and the verb, ex. Je vous aime, ils nous adorent, ils aiment, vous écrivez. Between un, les, des, mes, tes. And the noun, ex. Les amis, tes étudiants, nos enfants, between petit, grand, gros, vieux, bon, monosyllabique adjective, and the noun, ex. Un petit homme, un grand amour, de vieux amis, between très, trop, and the adjective, ex. Très intéressant, trop important, between quand il, elle, on, il, elle. The they will be pronounced to point, ex point quand il veut is pronounced qu'a-t-il vaut et hopeless, there is a liaison within a compound word, mot composé, ex. Les États-Unis de plus en plus, plus ou moins, c'est à accent grave dire avant j, between the auxiliary être and its past participle ex. Il est ici, ils sont arrivés, between a monosyllabique préposition and a noun or en adjective.
X-, en avion, supplementary activity 6, oral, read this sentence and say where you will have a liaison in Z, T, V. 1. Vous allez chez eux, 2. Quand est-ce que vous venez, 3. Quelle heure est-il, 4. Vous avez quel âge, 5. Ils ont 3 enfants, 6. Les anciens élèves sont là, activity B, mark out the liaison in the following sentence, instruction, while listening to the sentence, read them all at the same time. The objective of this exercise is not comprehension of the text sentence. Item at sensitizing the learner to the phenomenon of liaison or enchaînement in French. It is important that you understand the notion of enchaînement in French. Enchaînement is the phenomenon where the consonant sound at the end, consonne finale prononcée, of a word is transferred to the beginning of the word that follows, X. Elle habite à Tours, aussi, liaison is a linguistic and stylistic phenomenon whereby the last consonant of the word, usually unpronounced is orally accentuated with the initial vowel of the following word, X. 3 ans, un ami, 2 enfants, in the following sentence mark the liaison where necessa, ils adorent le café, 2. Les étudiants travaillent, 3. Il est 2 heures, 4. Un petit enfant, 5. C'est très intéressant, 6. Tu vas chez elle, 7. Paul est un grand ami, 8. Elles arrivent bientôt, 9. C'est mon université, 10. Bon anniversaire, activity C, listen to the sentence and mark the correct liaison, 1. Réfère to the rule en liaison obligatoire Jivan Irlier, supplementary activity 7, oral, these sentences are taken from preview units. Mark the liaison and confirm with your counselor, vous allez bien, 2. Vous êtes française, 3. Je suis allemande, 4. J'ai des amis français, 5. On mange des plats italiens, 6. Ton ami Marco, 7. Nous allons au restaurant avec mes étudiants, 8. Vous avez de la chance, activity D, listen to the following word and tick the suitable box. 1. You will hear 8 words, in which you will hear the sound S like in son, or the sound Z like in pose. You will tick the box accordingly. This activity is based in auditive discrimination, discrimination auditive, supplementary activity 8, here is a list of words. Mark out with the help of your advisor where the S and the Z sounds will come, lessive, gencive, choisir, liste, 5. 12, 6. Zèbre, 7. Célèbre, 8. Vase, 9. Sommeil, 10. Dessin, vous avez un nouveau message, this is a new email exchange between Marco and Flora. Suggestion, read the whole text alou, keep in mind, all the pronunciation tips that have been given till now, this activity has 2 objectives, to improve your pronunciation. To sensitize you to the global understanding of the text, global understanding of the text without the intervention of your advisor. It does not matter if all the words of the text are not understood, you should know the structure. Il y a, usually translated by there is, there are, il y a un livre sur la table, X, il y a 4 membres dans ma famille, il y a des enfants dans le parc, activity 13, read the message and answer the question orally. Contact classe, 1. Qui va visiter Paris? Qui égale où, 2, où on trouve des librairies? Où égale where, librairie égale bookshop, 3. Relevez le nom d'un grand magasin. Magasin égale store, shop, 4. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le Marais, 5. Qu'est-ce que Flora aime à Paris? Vocabulary, beau quartier, beautiful area, district, marché d'antiquité, market spécialisé in antiquity bateau-mouche, riverboat, on the Seine, confère. Picture P48, carte postale, postcard, bon séjour, Nice stay, non. Le, la, les, un, une, dès le pluriel des noms, activity 14, this activity is based on the above message, email, of Flora, which will serve a document for the study of article, in the preview uni, we learn article défini, definite article. Here, we shall also study article indéfini, indefinite article, and see the difference in their use. Article défini le, la, les, elle, article indéfini égale 1, masque, une, FEM, D, plural, suggestion, study closely the table Jivan-, some word are accompagné by un and other by le,
complete the table. The answers are provided in the email. Have you understood why I is used before Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower, and one is used in front of boutique? We use a definite article, la Tour Eiffel, les Champs-Élysées, les grands magasins to indicate, to point out a specific thing, something which is really definite. The same explanation apply for les cafés et les librairies de Saint-Germain-des-Prés. These are not any café and librairie. They are those located in Saint-Germain-des-Présidents. On the other hand, we say, des boutiques, des musées, un marché d'antiquités, because they are one among many. Pay attention to the plural form of the different noun and adjective. In French, plural is usually marked by s or x, for noun ending by u, o, point. Activity 15, complete the following with the suitable article. 1. This activity has two objectives, to learn the correct use of article, to revise the vocabulary. Note, the gender of each noun is given after each noun. Some of the noun in the list are in plural. Activity 16, complete the postcard of Delphine with le, la, elle, or un, une, des, un. You will have to ask a few questions before choosing the suitable article. Is it a noun or a particular thing? A general notion, could you understand the following word? Hier, yesterday, sympa, nice, coloré, colorful, rouge, red, jaune, yellow, café très branché, a fashionable, trendy café. Look at the structure format of the postcard. It starts with the date on the upper right corner. Then, on the next line, right side, the greeting, the card ends with j'attends de tes nouvelles, which means, I am waiting to hear from you. Instead of this expression, we can also use, when writing to a friend, écris-moi vite, j'attends ta réponse. To end a letter, we usually write, je t'embrasse, très fort, grosse, bise, gros, bisous, à bientôt. In this letter you have come across a new tense which is passé composé, past tense, used to express en accomplished action. J'ai visité, j'ai rencontré, passé composé is composed by the present form of avoir past participle of the verb, the hair of all first group ver, exemple. Visiter, will change to, et in passé composé, visiter. Let's have a look at one of the actions suggested in the list, écouter. The participle past or this verb will be, j'ai écouté, tu as écouté, Yvel a écouté, nous avons écouté, vous avez écouté, elles ont écouté. Note, distance will be studied in depth in units 8 and 11. Activity 17, look at the calendar and give a date to each French festival. Suggestion, observe the calendar on page 51 carefully. The first name, prénom, or written after each day correspond to a saint. We traditionally say a bonne fête to a person who shares the same name as a saint commemorated on a particular day. For example 15th November is Saint Albert. So, on that day, if you have a friend of this name, I will wish him bonne fête. Look at the calendar for the holiday yearly mentioned, check out the month of the year. The list was given in the beginning of the uni, the DE. Do you also celebrate the same festival in India? Which other festival are celebrated here and on which date month of Nante, with the help of the advisor, constitute the calendar of the main Indian holiday and very briefly give their symbolism. Activity 18, oral, and you, which festival do you celebrate in your country? What do you usually do on this occasion? Supplementary activity 13, oral, each one of you is going to briefly talk about an Indian holiday. For example, Diwali, Id, among others. In contact class, thank you, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we will see you with the next chapter.